माझी ओळख करून द्यायचीच विसरले. हॅलो, माय नेम इज मुग्धा गोरे. आय एम अ टीचर इन समर्थ विद्या मंदिर, कोल्हापूर. Today I am going to tell you a story. Would you like to listen a story? I am sure that all of you are ready to listen a story. You like to listen a story. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना गोष्ट ऐकायला खूप आवडते, बरोबर की नाही? ओळखलं ना? चला तर मग आता आपण इयत्ता 4थीचा इंग्रजीमधला एक धडा अभ्यासूया. तो धडा म्हणजे गोष्टच आहे. So now we are going to learn a lesson which is a story from 4th standard English textbook. Okay? Name of the story is The Sky is Falling. Before telling you my story, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you really like to hear stories? Okay, yes, nice. Then tell me some story names which you have heard. Sanga patkan. Remember and tell me in 1st standard, in 2nd standard, in 3rd standard, you would have many stories in your English textbook, Marathi textbook, right? Okay, The Pumpkin and the Old Woman. Do you remember that story, Pumpkin and the Old Woman? Chal re bhopla, tuduk tuduk. And do you remember that one? Thirsty Crow? Good. And the Cunning Fox, do you remember? Yes. And that one, that cap seller and monkey. The monkey took the caps and the cap seller threw out his caps and then monkey also threw out. Yes, आठवतात की तुम्हाला गोष्टी? शाबाश. And do you remember that one, Lion and the Mouse? Yes. So, कोण सांगतं तुम्हाला या सगळ्या गोष्टी? Who tell you the stories? सांगा बघू. अच्छा. So your grandmother tells you a story, your grandfather tells you a story, and your teachers tell you story. आणि I know you have heard many stories in Marathi, right? मग आता आपण जरा इंग्लिश मधलीच गोष्ट ऐकूया बाबा, कारण खूप झालं ना मराठी गोष्टी ऐकून. आता एक इंग्लिश गोष्ट, अँड आय एम शुअर यू विल लाईक दॅट स्टोरी. आवडेल ना? ऐकायची ना मग इंग्लिश गोष्ट? सुरू करू? काय म्हणताय? लवकर लवकर सुरू करू. बघा नक्की रेडी आहे ना तुम्ही ऐकायला? गुड. 1 सुरू करू का? 2 सुरू करत्या. 3 चला. There was a small chicken. Chicken means, do you know what is the meaning of chicken? Correct. आपण खातो ते चिकन नाही. Chicken means कोंबडीचं छोटंसं पिल्लू. Okay. So one day there was a small chicken. He was hopping around a tree. Hopping म्हणजे? Hopping means jumping. Jump. So the chicken was hopping around a tree. His name was Chicken Licken. That Chicken Licken was hopping around the tree and he was playing, he was enjoying. And do you know what happened? Suddenly, a leaf from that tree fell on Chicken Licken's head. Leaf म्हणजे? Perfect. Leaf म्हणजे पान. So the leaf fell on that Chicken Licken's head. That small Chicken Licken got frightened. He thought the sky is falling and the piece of it fell on my head. So he became so much frightened and he started running and running and running. And suddenly he met Henny Penny. So the Henny Penny asked him, "Hey Chicken Licken, what happened? Why are you running?" Then Chicken Licken said to Henny Penny, "Henny Penny, do you know what happened? The sky is falling and the piece of it fell right on my head." After listening this, Henny Penny also got frightened, and Henny Penny said, "Oh my God!" And Henny Penny also started running. So now Chicken Licken is running, Henny Penny is running, both of them running and running and running. and they met Cocky Locky. Cocky Locky saw both of them are running. He said, "Hey, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny, why are you running?" Then Henny Penny said, Do you know, Cocky Locky? The sky is falling and a piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head." After listening this, Cocky Locky also got frightened. He also started running with Chicken Licken and Henny Penny. Now the Chicken Licken is running, Henny Penny is running, Cocky Locky is running, everyone is running and running and running, and they made Ducky Lucky, a duck. So the Ducky Lucky saw all of them are running, they are frightened. He said, "Quack, quack, 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 why are you running? Everybody of you, why are you running?" Then Cocky Locky said, Do you know, Ducky Lucky? The sky is falling and a piece of it fell on Chicken Licken's head. So we are running. Ducky Lucky also got frightened. He said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack. Oh my God! Oh dear! Let's run!" And now Ducky Lucky also started running. Chicken Licken is running. Henny Penny is running. Cocky Locky is running. And now Ducky Lucky also started running. All four of them ran here and there in all the forest. Then they saw Goosey Poosey. Goosey Poosey said, "Hey, every one of you, why are you running?" Then that Ducky Lucky said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack. The sky is falling and a piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head." After listening that, Goosey Poosey did not say any word, and he just started running and running and running. And now all five of them running here and there, everywhere. And after that, they saw the fox was there. And do you know, every one of you, how is fox? Correct. Fox is cunning. Cunning means dhurto. So they saw a cunning fox in that jungle, in that forest. And fox saw that everyone is running, chicken is running, hen is running, everyone is running. So he asked them, "Hey, every one of you, all the creatures, why are you running? What happened?" Then the Goosey Poosey said to the fox, "Foxy Loxy, the sky is falling and a piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head." Now, Foxy Loxy knew that actually sky is not falling. What happened? The leaf is there on Chicken Licken's head. But all of us know, how is Foxy Loxy? Correct. He is cunning. So he thought something and he said to all the animals, Okay, if the sky is falling, don't worry, I will make you safe. Go into my cave, into my house. Go everyone, go." This is what Foxy Loxy said. And the poor creatures, all of them, one by one, went to that cave. Now Foxy Loxy said, "You poor creatures, now I caught you all." अरे गरीब प्राण्यांनो, मी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना पकडलेलंय. This is what Foxy Loxy said. And after listening this, those poor Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Poosey, every one of them started asking for help. They started shouting, "Help, help, help." And do you know who listens their shout? Yes, Doggy Deer listens the sound, help, help, help. He said, oh, what happened? And he understood that Foxy Loxy had caught all the poor animals. The doggy deer said, hey, Foxy Loxy, wow, wow, beware, I am coming. After listening that doggy deer's voice, our Foxy Loxy started running and he ran away. And the doggy deer saved all the animals. I hope you have liked the story. Do you like the story? आता आपण स्टोरी मधले सगळे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स म्हणजे नवीन वर्ड्स तुमच्यासाठी असलेले सगळे नवीन वर्ड्स बघूया. ओके, कुठले कुठले नवीन वर्ड्स आहेत तुम्हाला इथे दिसत असतील. फर्स्ट वर्ड वी सॉ चिकन. चिकन मीन्स करेक्ट, इट इज कोंबडीचं पिल्लू. then we saw hop. hop means उड्या मारणे. हां, त्याला दुसरा शब्द काय इंग्लिश मध्ये? वा, शाबाश, येते की तुम्हाला? जम्प. तिसरा शब्द आपण काय बघितला? लीफ. लीफ मीन्स झाडाचं पान. चौथा शब्द आपण काय बघितला? स्काय. स्काय मीन्स आभाळ किंवा आकाश. पाचवा शब्द आपण बघितला? फॉलिंग. फॉलिंग म्हणजे पडतोय. द स्काय इज फॉलिंग. आकाश पडतंय. द पीस ऑफ एग फेल राईट ऑन चिकन लिकन्स हेड. पीस म्हणजे तुकडा. ओके, सो पीस म्हणजे तुकडा. आणि आपण कुठले कुठले शब्द बघितले? द फॉक्सी लॉक्सी वॉज कनिंग. कनिंग म्हणजे धूर्त. आणि फॉक्सी लॉक्सीचं घर काय होतं? केव. केव मीन्स गुहा. And Foxy Loxy said, I will make all of you safe. Safe means surakshit. Hey creatures. Yes, creatures means prani. And I have caught you all. Caught means pakadne. Shout means oradne. आणि beware Foxy Loxy, I am coming. कोण म्हणला असं? करेक्ट, डॉगी डियर म्हणाला. सो beware means सावध रहा. सो स्टुडंट्स, तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे हसरे चेहरे बघून मला समजलंय की यू हॅव लाईक दिस स्टोरी. हां, तुम्ही असं म्हणाल की टीचर तुम्हाला कुठनं दिसला आमचा हसरा चेहरा? तर टीचर कॅन सी एव्हरीथिंग. So I know that you are happy with the story, but now I want you to tell me what is the moral of this story. सगळ्या स्टोरीज मधून आपण काही ना काहीतरी शिकतो. मग या स्टोरी मध्ये काय शिकलो आपण? शाबाश, या स्टोरी मध्ये आपण हे शिकलो की we should not trust anybody blindly. म्हणजे असाच अंधपणानं आपण कुणावरही विश्वास टाकता कामा नये. Because all that small creatures trusted on that fox. जर तो डॉगी डियर तिथं आला नसता तर त्या फॉक्सनं त्या सगळ्या प्राण्यांचा चट्टा मट्टा करून टाकला असता. म्हणून what we learn? Correct. We learn that we should not trust anyone blindly. आपण असा कुणावरही अंधपणानं विश्वास ठेवायचा नाही. Okay. So I hope that all of you have heard the story carefully. Do you? Really? Are you sure? Okay. So if you have heard the story very, very carefully, I will ask you some questions and you have to answer. I know that every one of you are sitting in front of your own TV in the house, but that's okay, you can answer. Okay? I know every one of you is very brilliant and all of you can answer my questions. So our first question is, who was hopping under a tree? Right. Chicken Licken was hopping under a tree. And the second question for you is, who was cunning fellow? Wow, you are so brilliant. Foxy Loxy was cunning fellow. Then the third question is, who saved all the animals from cunning Foxy Loxy? Correct! Doggy deer saved all the animals from cunning Foxy Loxy. Fourth question is, what is the meaning of the word hop? Wow, very good. Hop means jump, means उड्या मारणे. And the last question for you is, what was Foxy Loxy's house? Correct, it was a cave. Foxy Loxy's house was a cave. शाबाश, very good. तर तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी खूप छान उत्तरं दिलेली आहेत and I hope की तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना ही स्टोरी खूप आवडली असेल आणि ती इंग्लिश मध्ये जरी ऐकली तरी ती समजली असेल. समजली ना?